today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's not difficult to make. Now as we go along you will see that it's not difficult to make. All you have to do to know are the trebles, the treble or double crochet. When I say treble, I'm meaning double crochet, because treble is in English and double crochet is in American. And the puff stitch. I only use the puff stitch and the trebles and trebles. It's a nice stitch, as I told you, and it's not difficult to make. Hope that you try it. We start by making the chains. Now for this pattern, chains you make depending how large the project is going to be. We start, so as I told you, we start by making the chains. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3 in the fourth chain, and we're going to make a treble. The first 3 chains will serve as a treble, and we're going to make a treble or double crochet, depending how you call it, in every chain that you have. So chains you make depending how large the project is going to be, and you make a treble or double crochet, as I told you how you call it, in every chain that you have. That is the first row. You continue making a treble. So the first row is ready, as you can see, and we're going to start the second row. We start with 3 chains. These 3 chains serve as a treble. You turn the work around like this, and we make another chain. So we know we have to make 4 chains in the beginning. We skip 1, we go in the second one, and we make a treble or double crochet, how you call it. Another chain. You skip 1, you go to the second one, the other one, and you make a treble or double crochet. You skip the next one, you go to the other, and you continue all the row like that. You skip 1 treble or double crochet, how you call it. You go to the next one, and you make a treble. Another chain. You skip 1, you go to the other one, and you make a treble. And you continue all the row like that. The second row is ready too, as you have seen. Now we start the next row with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to go to the first one where we made the chain here, and we're going to make a treble or double crochet. Another treble on the next treble or double crochet, as I told you how you call it. Here where we have the chain, we make another treble. Treble on the next treble. Treble is in English and double crochet is in American. I usually use the English version. Treble, so when I say treble, it's a double crochet. Treble in the chain, treble on the next treble, another treble in the chain, and you continue all the row like that. A treble in the chain, add the treble on the treble that you have. You continue all the row like that. This row is ready too, as you can see now. Now we're going to start the next row. We make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to start counting from here, from the first one. 1, 2, and 3. In the third one, we make a treble. Now we're going to work again in the first one here, and we're going to make a puff stitch, always in the first one here. So we make 1, we're going to make a puff stitch, 1, 2, and 3, and that is a puff stitch. We make a chain. Now we're working from here in this one, the last one. So we start counting from here, 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to make a treble here. Now we're going to make a puff stitch again. This is the third one, this is the second, this is the first one from where we were counting. This is the one that we made the treble in it, the one next to it, and we're going to make another puff stitch there. 1, 2, and 3, and we make a chain. Again, this is where we made the other treble, so we're going to count 3. 1, 2, 3. We go here and we make a treble or a double crochet, how you call it. Again, we're going to work. This is the third one, the second, and the first one. in the first one here, and we're going to make another puff stitch. 1, 2 and 3. You make a chain. Again, this is the one we made the treble before, and we count 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to make a treble in the third one here. Again, we're going to work. This is the third one, the second, the first one here. And we're going to make another puff stitch. 1, 2 and 3. A chain. And again. 1, 2, 3. We make a treble. We made the treble here. Again. This is the third one, the second, the first. And we're going to make another puff stitch. 1, 2 and 3. And you continue, you make a chain here. And you continue all the row like that. Again, you make 1, 2 and 3. You make a treble here. You continue. Again, you go in the third one here and you make a puff stitch. You continue all the row like that, this row. The row is ready. As you can see, I finished with 3 trebles here. We start again with 3 trebles, with 3 chains, sorry. I finished with 3 chains. I finished with a treble here. I finished with a treble in the chains. Now I'm starting with 3 chains. Now, I'm going to go here, where we have the treble of before. I'm going to go here and I'm going to make a treble. Now I'm going to go again here in the first one and I'm going to make a puff stitch. 1, 2 and 3 and a chain. That is the first one. Again, I'm going to go here and the edge here, over here, and I'm going to make a treble. Now I'm going to work here in this one here, the edge of the puff stitch here, and I'm going to make a puff stitch again. 1, 2 and 3, a chain. Again, I'm going to go here, make a treble, and here, and I'm going to make a puff stitch. 1, 2 and 3, a chain. Again here where we made the first treble here, I'm going to make a treble and a puff stitch here. 1, 2 and 3 and a chain, and you continue all the row like that. I go here, I make a treble and a puff stitch over here. 1, 2 and 3, a chain, and you continue all the row like that. The row is ready, as you can see. Now we're going to start the next row with 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to start again from the beginning. We're going to make this row. So we're going to make a treble or double crochet, how you call it, in every one that we have here. Every chain that we have, we make a treble in every one that we have. So we're going to start again, like we're starting again the pattern from the beginning. You continue making this row here. Then after this row, you repeat this row. You make a treble and a chain. You skip one treble, a chain. You make a treble on the other one, a chain. You skip one treble and treble on this row. And you do this row again. a treble in every chain and a treble on every, you repeat this, then you repeat this row here. You continue with the pattern like that. And this is the final result, how it comes. As I have told you, when I finished, I have shown you how to finish this row. We finished this row, I have shown you it. Then we started this row, then this row here, another row here, and then again I did this here. And you continue doing the pattern like that. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make, and it's a beautiful stitch. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.